Okay guys, so following on from this improvement, there's a few little bits I want to sort out. So this tape gun, yeah, it just hangs basically either in that hole there or on the tape, wherever hits the screw that's on the wall there first. It's not great, it just kind of hangs there. It's not obvious how it goes on, and there are times where you'll find that it'll fall off. Anyway, it's not doing it right this second. So what I'm going to do is look to improve that by moving it somewhere. Back in a second. Okay, so I've now popped this piece of Klime-Ezee foam, which I have just popped some speed tape on the front edge here to hold in place. With a tape gun in it, so now it's nice and easy to grab. You're ready to go. When you've done, just make sure it goes back in there. I have also, as pointed out by JP, made sure it was far enough away from the wall so the tape didn't stick to it. In doing this, the knife has obviously been moved. This came over to here, because that is where you guys put your foam. So I thought it would be best located there with the saw. And also while I was at it, I commandeered the tray that was in here for my temporary goods in tray in my office. I noticed that there was this folder here, which is ideal for the collect transport notes. So I've labelled that up. Any collects that are due out are now in here. I've left it up like that so you can see it clearly, and I've just popped this piece of metal that was on top of them just in front of it to stop it from sliding down. So all in all, a few little improvements in this area. This back board could do with a little filling where the holes have been, which I'll get onto another point, and just maybe give it a lick of paint to clear it all up. Thanks guys.